Officers respond to a call about a woman who had fallen asleep in a convenience store. When officers make contact with the woman, they discover that she has an active warrant and decide to take her into custody.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right. What happened?
Nothing. Sorry.
You just fell asleep?
I know.
I got you. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Say, you look like you were sleeping pretty good. Okay. Ma'am, what's your name?
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay. What's your name, though?
Is that my name, Emily?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Emily, what? Do you have your ID, ma'am? I just need to identify her. Is it in your
I
purse?
have my police ID. You want that? When I lost everything, I'm homeless in here in Savannah, Georgia, Statesboro, Georgia.
Yes, ma'am.
I can give you my name, number, social security card.
I just need your name and birthday. How about that?
Beatrice Emily Jackson. B-E-A-T-R-I-C-E 810 And a George. I ain't even allowed to go home because of our stupid ass probation. I paid for them damn checks and I plead guilty.
What do y'all want done? Y'all just want her gone? Y'all want her CT'd or what? What you want to do?
What's her warrant for? Disorderly conduct?
Of course.
I mean, I don't mind taking her.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, as long as you're good with it, we'll do that, okay? I'm not trying to dump it out on you. All right. All right, let's do it.
All right, Miss Jackson.
Yeah.
So, you do have a warrant for disorderly conduct, okay?
Where?
Out of Camler County.
I know that one. It's disorderly conduct and assault to an officer when he kicked his chest cam. And I sat there and it's like this. I know I have a warrant, but they let me go when I left Toombs County. After Toombs County laid on me, kept me for a week, got the matter, got here. I done paid for the civil suit checks. I should not be on probation here.
I gotcha. Yes, ma'am. But you still do have that warrant that is active right now.
You want to transport me? I'll take you. Shit.
Yes, ma'am. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take you. We're gonna go
to
meet.
the jail and sit there. And then I'll be in prison. Because I'm finna fuck up Cameron County because they should have never revoked me.
I got
They
you.
should have
Yes,
never
ma'am.
put, I ain't got to do anything else. If y'all want to fight, we'll fight.
No, ma'am, we're not going to do that. Okay?
When I'm supposed to help y'all.
Ma'am?
And y'all going to start paying me.
Miss Jackson, we need you to turn.
I'm finna get in and put my stuff in your truck. And we finna go.
You're going to put your hands.
Because I could call my mama. I could call my
You're
daddy.
going to put your hands behind your back
and it's
first.
going to be fucked up.
All right. Miss Jackson, you're going to put your hands behind your back first.
I ain't got no
310, can you head this way?
Nothing. I can take off running.
Okay. Well, we're not going to do that.
Yeah, we're going to chase the night in the rain, barefooted and all.
All right.
I'm not going to matter and sit in the cell for hours on top of hours when I've been dropped from them charges.
I got you. That's something you're gonna have to speak with them
They
with.
transported me here. Magistrate court said I could not come back until I go to court.
She's getting
so
a little
tell me
rowdy.
about that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'm not gonna argue with you.
I'm finna find out myself since you won't ask.
Okay, so
I'm a first responder. I'm a firefighter. I helped y'all last night. That was some fucked up shit. Metaphor 314.
okay.
So
Yes,
guess
ma'am.
what? Y'all gonna chase.
We're not.
No.
We are not doing this.
Man, I don't
Put your
care.
hands behind your back.
Y'all can stop this and the rest all y'all want.
Let go of the bag.
No, it's my stuff.
Let go of
For
the
y'all
bag.
to go through it and fuck with me all the time, I don't want y'all to have nothing of mine.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Stop
No,
resisting.
I already done been to jail and I'm not going there. Y'all got to shoot me in my damn head. That's the same way.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop fucking with me. You trying to make me hit the goddamn ground. I took y'all in peacefully. Now you gonna work.
On the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. $310, step it up.
She behind step. When y'all could just let me get in.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Now.
Hell no.
We're not asking.
I don't care. I could have got in.
We tried to do this civilly.
Call you even just true.
Stop resisting.
Stop. Jackson?
I don't care. I already got 3 probates in here. I used to put them in the front, but you rather do it in the
They're not going in the front.
I don't care. Yep. He gotta pull his tongue. Get my phone, bro.
Stop resisting.
Man, I got this arm. I got this arm. I got this arm. I got the left arm. I got the left arm. We're good.
You got it?
Oh, you don't know your finances on.
Need another pair?
No, we got that. All right.
Yeah.
Stace, what we got a 95?
10. All right. Roll over in your left.
I ain't rolling over shit.
Here you are. There you are. You gonna get up. There you go.
You can put her in mine. I can transport her.
Oh, where's she at? Where you at?
Down here.
All right, where you at? Good job.
All right.
Yeah, she hit me.
She hit you?
Yeah. She hit me and Catanzarides.
You all right? I'm fine. Are you injured? Yeah.
Fine. Yeah.
She's probably gonna need to go to our jail now.
Yeah. She's going to our jail.
now.
She's laying down. She's trying to get out.
Nope. She's gonna need a chair because
Sarge, we did sweep her. You good?
yes.
Hey, turn your camera on.
Just all her shit in here on the floor? Yeah.
My key's in there on the floor too.
That car is this?
Oh shit.
Car, is this you? Hey!
Hey, cut it out.
Put it out! Put her out. You following? Yeah. You got 2 behind you.
207 Statesboro. I'm gonna be en route to the BCSO, 1 female. Yeah.
Hey, come on out.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Come on out.
Leave me alone.
You're getting
Leave me the fuck
you're
alone.
getting out
I'm
of
not
this
going
car.
that bitch. You gonna fight to pull me out. Just fuck out.
Do we want to get tased?
Tase me, motherfucker.
You
I
wanna
don't
get
give a
tased?
damn.
Huh?
I don't give a damn tase. That's why y'all fuck on that anyway.
We what?
You fuck up. You. 12. Don't give a damn about your skinny Mexican bitch white in the house. She's fucked up.
Who's Mexican?
Her bitch ass.
You mean the one that we're- you mean the one-
No, the
you mean
one
the
that I'm
one-
tripping
the-
through. Fool. I don't give a damn.
If she's staying in here, you're in handcuffs.
I'll whoop her ass with a no handcuffs.
All right, come on. We're getting in the car. Come on.
Go to the other side and push her.
I got it. Stand your big ass up.
Two cops can't take down one. Should have sent my best friend.
Yeah, they should have sent me.
Yeah, I would have went in the car with your guy ass.
I appreciate it.
And I got more cousin. 3 times change shot it for me too.
We were just trying trying to get her to leave, and she...
This came out and someone's sleeping in